All right, we've been asked to have a look at some triangles. In this case, some similar triangles, both with parallel lines and without parallel lines. So let's go through these quickly. So we've got, first of all, recognizing which sides are same as which sides. So this is the smaller angle. These two are the same. These two are also a little bit bigger, and these two are bigger still. But it means if we want to find side x, we could say two different ways we can do this, in fact. One, we could say that this is in proportion to this as this is to that. So this side is to this as this side is to that. So we could just do that. Let's do that. 24 is to x as 18 is to 12. Must do it the right way around. What you do not want to do is to go 24 is to x as 12 is to 18. Wrong way around. All right, well, let's go ahead and do some multiplication here. So cross multiplying first of all. So I'm going to go 18 times x is 18x equals 12 24s, or 12 12s, 144, 2 144s are 288. So if I now divide both of those by 18, I end up with an x. Here we go. So let's just do that now. So I've got 288 divided by 18, and I end up with, bad focus, look at that, bad focus. That's better. End up with a 16, here we are. Okay, so x is 16. So this side here is in fact 16. Now you could have done it a different way. You could have actually gone, this side is in proportion to this one as this one is to this one. This is to this as this is to this. That would work too. And watch that, I go 24 to 18, here we are. So I'll put a line with that. 24 is to 18 as x is to 12. X is to 12. And let's cross multiply, and immediately you're going to see I'm going to get 18x. There it is, 18x equals 12 times 24. And we're back to x is equal to 16 again. So we could do it either way. Either way would work perfectly well. Just be aware, what you do not want to do is cross these over. In other words, you don't want to go 24 is to 12 as x is to 18 or something, yeah? You need to have them going to their same corresponding sides or corresponding pairs of sides. And that would be how you'd solve that. Now, parallel lines. Parallel lines are great because we have similar triangles within these parallel lines, or with, if you like, parallel lines are within these triangles. But of course, because these are parallel, it means thusly that these two angles here are corresponding. So they're the same angle. These two angles here must be corresponding. So it's the same angle. So straight away we know these are similar. And of course they all share the same vertex, the same angle at the top. So really I would redraw this as two triangles. So let's look up this little one on top, which is 9 and 8. I'm just going to draw that separately. Here it is. So we've got one triangle which is nice and small. It's 9 and 8. I'm just going to draw it like this. Here it is. You've got one which is 9 and an 8 there. That's this one here, 9 and 8. And then you've got this one here, which is the whole of this, which is 2 9s are 18 and x. Let's draw that one. So you've got this bigger one, which is, it won't be perfect. Oh, no, wrong. What am I doing? Bad. Okay, here we go. Which is, and I'll try and draw it as well as I can, which won't be that well, by the way. Here we go. Here, this one here, the side is going to be 18, and the side at the bottom is going to be x. So now we can go ahead and solve those. So in this case, we could say 9 is to 18 as 8 is to x. Or you could go 9 is to 8 as 18 is to x. What you do not want to do is to go 9 is to x as 18 is to 8. I was going to say 9. 18 is to 8. So don't cross them over. Same pairs or same pairs. Let's have a go at doing both. So we could say 9 is to 18. Let's do that one. 9 is to 18 as 8 is to x. As 8 is to x. There it is. So we're going to cross multiply. 9 is to 8. That's 9x is to 18 times 8. My brain's not working at the moment, so we have to do it like this. 18 times 8. And we're going to get 144. Well, that's handy, 144. So I can just now divide both sides by 9. Of course, 9 actually does go into 144. So 144 divided by 9 is 16. So x is going to be 16. The other way you could have done that, of course, rather than going this is to this as, what did I do? Yeah, I went this is to this, 9 is to 18 as 8 is to x, 8 is to x. You could have gone 9 is to 8 as 18 is to x. Let's just do that version. I'll do it over here. Let's have a look. So I've got 9 is to 8. 9 is to 8. As I'm going 9 is to 8 as 18 is to x. As 18 is to x. There it is. Cross multiply. 9 times x. Oh, and you can see immediately what's about to happen. 9x is equal to 18 times 8, which is exactly what we had over here. Almost different. But what do we get? Now I can divide both sides by 9. Divide both sides by 9. And x is going to equal to 18 times 8 over 9. 18 times 8 divided by 9 is 16 again. And that is how I would do that. So lots of ways. And the parallel line ones, of course, are very interesting. Parallel lines are... and so here, another situation. You can see, obviously, these two angles must be corresponding. These two angles must be corresponding. And, of course, they're sharing the same vertex at the top. Yeah. So that is how I would go about those. Hope that makes sense.